everyone. I'm going to talk about if you're thinking about selling this fall, what are some things that you can do ahead of time? Number one, give yourself time to sell. That is going to be very important. We are no longer in a market that necessarily sells in the first weekend or the first month for that matter. In some places throughout town, we're up to 5 or 6 months worth of inventory on the market. So it's going to take some time to go under contract. And then remember, when you go under contract, it takes 30 to 45 days more. So if you're planning on selling, call us early, ask us to come out, help you get prepared. Number two is we are back to you need to win the beauty contest. There is a lot of competition out there, and your house needs to be clean and it needs to be ready and staged. All of those things are very important to winning the buyer over because they now have choice. Now, we offer you free staging. So that's one of the things that we'll help you with in advance. And again, that goes back to giving yourself time so you can prep your house ahead of time. And third, I am highly encouraging getting your home pre-inspected. Those pre-listing inspections stop, back out after you go under contract and you're all excited because you're going to make it to the closing table. And in addition, it stops renegotiation. Yes. Is the buyer probably going to get another inspection? Is it a typical buyer's expense? Yes. Why would you do your homework ahead of time for them? For all the reasons that I said. Nothing like buying a house that's already had all the unknowns taken away. You don't have negotiations after you thought you already agreed to a price, and you have a buyer that will stick in the deal versus terminate because they didn't like some of the repairs. So again, give yourself time to sell. Make sure that you win the beauty contest and get it pre-inspected. We're here to help you with getting your home on the market and take you through this market that we're in. It varies by zip code, but that's our job and that's what we love to help you with. I'm Missy Segars, broker owner of Segars Realty Partners, and we're here to help you. So give us a call or send us an email or any of the other measures. We look forward to hearing from you.